Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable app icon badges for calls on Messenger. If you've ever felt distracted by that little badge number popping up on your screen, or if you simply prefer a cleaner look for your home screen, this is the perfect solution for you. The process is simple and only takes a few steps, so let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll find all of your device's controls and customization options. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll see a full list of all the applications installed on your device. From here, find and select Messenger. This will open up Messenger's app settings, which is exactly where we need to be. Now, tap on the option called Notifications. This is where you can manage everything related to the alerts and badges Messenger sends you. Inside the Notifications menu, you should see another option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on that to expand more specific controls. Within the Categories section, look for Calls. This is the area dedicated to call notifications coming through Messenger. Once you tap on it, you'll notice a toggle switch for app icon badges. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you see those red notification dots on your Messenger icon. All you have to do here is switch that toggle off. Once it's disabled, Messenger calls will no longer leave a badge on your app icon. This means your home screen will feel less cluttered, and you'll get to decide when to open Messenger without being nudged by a number or symbol sitting on the icon. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully turned off app icon badges for calls on Messenger. From now on, you'll still receive your call notifications, but you won't see that persistent badge sitting on your screen. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to adjust these settings anytime you want to fine-tune your notifications. Thanks for watching.